Imagine turning a quiet street corner and spotting something that feels like it rolled straight out of a time machine. Polished brass gleaming under the sun, intricate wooden carvings catching every shadow, and slowly gliding forward on 3 elegant wheels. At first glance, it looks like a royal carriage from the Victorian era, but then you notice the handlebars, the compact frame, and the fact that it's actually a fully functional home on a tricycle. This is the 2026 vintage Victorian tricycle home, and once you see what's inside, it completely changes the way you think about living on the road. The magic begins with its design. Every inch of this tricycle feels handcrafted with purpose. Rich mahogany panels wrap around the structure, detailed with floral carvings that feel like they belong in a 19th century palace. Brass lanterns sit on either side, not just for decoration but fully functional, casting a warm golden glow at night. The wheels are oversized, spoked like antique bicycles, yet reinforced with modern engineering to handle real roads. It's the perfect blend of past and future, romance and practicality. But here's where things get even more interesting. This isn't just something you admire from the outside. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into a cozy Victorian-inspired interior that feels both nostalgic and surprisingly modern. The door swings open to reveal a compact yet beautifully organized living space. Soft velvet upholstery lines a small seating area, paired with a foldable wooden table that can transform from a tea corner into a workspace within seconds. Above you, delicate lace curtains hang beside miniature windows, letting in just enough sunlight to create a warm, dreamy atmosphere. The ceiling features subtle carvings and soft ambient lighting, giving the entire space a calm, almost storybook-like feeling. It's not just a home, it's an experience. And yes, it's fully functional. Hidden beneath all that vintage beauty is smart design. There's a compact bed that slides out effortlessly, turning the seating area into a comfortable sleeping space for 1 or even 2 people. Storage compartments are cleverly built into the walls and under the floor, allowing you to carry everything you need without cluttering the space. There's even a tiny kitchenette tucked into one corner, complete with a small stove, sink, and enough room to prepare simple meals on the go. Now imagine waking up inside this tricycle home. The early morning light filters through those lace curtains. The air feels fresh, and you're parked somewhere peaceful, maybe by a quiet countryside road or near a scenic lake. You brew your morning tea, sit by the window, and for a moment, it feels like time has slowed down. That's the real beauty of this concept. It's not just about mobility. It's about creating a lifestyle that feels calm, intentional,